What is up, YouTube? Crafting Cars here. Happy Friday. We got an exciting episode for you. Today we are going to be installing the cylinder head right onto my block here for my B16. We're going to be using ARP head studs, doing it right, as well as the OEM head gasket. So yeah, let's walk you right through it.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and install the actual ARP studs. It comes with this assembly lube. You want to make sure to use it on both ends. I'm only going to lubricate the one side for now so I don't get the extra lubricant all over my hands and everything else. And I'm just going to use, I believe this is a 3/16 Allen wrench, and I'm just going to run it all the way down till the bottom's out, call that good, and then we'll move on to the next step.
Alright, so we got all the studs in there and tightened down. I had these dowel pins sitting in the freezer for a while, so they're all nice and cold and shrunken up. Now, the next thing we're going to do is on the opposite corners of that cylinder head down there, we're going to heat it up. So these pins should theoretically slide right in. Alright, so now that we got all the studs in, we place the head gasket on. Now Gideon's going around and putting that lube on the end of all the studs. Alright, so we made sure to clean everything, and now it's time to throw that cylinder head on. Cylinder head is on. Now it's time to install the washers that go around each of the stud, and then the 12-point nuts as well. What do those look like? So now it's time to go and torque these down. If you look in your Honda service manual, you'll see I just got the loosening sequence, but it's going to be the same thing as this, but in reverse. We're going to start out by torquing them all down to 40 foot-pounds, and then per ARP's instruction, we're going to go ahead and tighten them all down one last time at 80 foot-pounds. So now we're setting the torque wrench to 80 foot-pounds for the final sequence, and what we're going to do is be torquing it down while someone else is holding the block, just so it doesn't twist, because I'm just on wheels right now. So time all the way around just to make sure.
The head's on, bitches!
The head's on, bitches! So, once again, thanks for tuning in. This was a fun project, and we made a lot of progress in the past couple days here, so...
This is the last big thing. From here on out, set up the cams obviously, but after that it's all just little pieces of the puzzle, and we're getting closer and closer to get this bad boy into the car.
This shit's
really exciting.
Light work from now on,
Yeah.
so...
Yeah.
It's all just kind of bolting on the little things, so... Yeah, keep watching, and the project will continue. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
Why?